Hello everyone. These are some bouncy, girly, ruffly dresses that I made for my sister's pet, Sakhi. As I couldn't capture the making of these dresses, I altered one of my old dress and made a miniature toy-sized pet dress, and today we are going to see the making of it. Let us start with the measurements. Measure all the way around the waist, around the neck, around the mid of the body, and also capture the length from the neck to the mid of the body. We need needle and thread and velcro as well for this project. As you all know, most of the pets don't like wearing clothes, so velcro makes our work easy. And we need 2 strips of cloth, one 4-inch wide in the length of the waist that we have measured, and the other 2-inch wide strip, and the length depends upon how much roughly you want the dress to be. Now start by sewing a running stitch on the top of the 2-inch wide strip along the length of it. And gather the ruffles. Ensure that they are evenly spread. Once done, sew it on our waistband just 1/2 inch above the bottom. And we're going to sew one more ruffle on top of it, just 1/2 inch above this. Ta-da! There we go. Roughly bouncy skirt for our cutie pie. Attach some Velcro on both the ends of the skirt. And now let's make the top. And for the top, we shall make a template this way. Just fold the paper in half, draw the neck and then the armpits this way. Cut it along. Stick some Velcro to both the ends of the neck as well as to both the ends of the body. That's it. A cute little dress is all set to be worn by our pet. Hope you like this video. If you do, hit the like button, subscribe and share. Crazily easy.